Hello students, I am your maths teacher. We will start chapter number 2 polynomials. In previous classes we have learned about polynomial in one variable, their degrees, factors, multiples and zero. But I am telling you about these topic in short. First, polynomial. Let x be a variable and be a positive integers and as a1 a2 a and b constant. There fx equal to a n x raised to the power n plus a n minus 1 raised to the x raised to the power n minus 1 plus a1x plus a0 is called a polynomial in variable x. Examples: px equal to 3x minus 2 is a polynomial in a variable x. Same here, qy equal to 3y square minus 2y plus 4 is a polynomial in variable y. In both examples, highest power is in 1 and in second example highest power is 2, means degree of example 1 is 1, degree of example 2 is 2. 1 and 2 is a whole number, so it is a polynomial. If degree is in the whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a polynomial. Same some example 2x square minus 3 root x plus 5. Here in this example x we can write root x equal to x raised to the power 1 upon 2. This is not a whole number. This is a rational number. So it is not a polynomial. Same here 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 5. And other example 2x cube minus 3 upon x plus 4. In this case 3 upon x we can write x minus 1, power is negative, so it is not a polynomial. So these examples are not polynomials. Second point is degree of the polynomial. The exponent. Exponent means power. Power of the highest degree term in a polynomial is known as its degrees. In short, the highest power of the polynomial is called a degree. Same here, some examples. Fx equal to 3x plus 1 upon 2. Here, highest power is 1, so degree equal to 1. In second example, 2y square minus 3 upon 2y plus 7. Highest power is 2, so then degree equal to 2. In next, 9t raised to the power 5 minus 4t raised to the power 4 minus 1 upon 2. Highest power is 5. So, degree equal to 5. Here, we also learn about linear polynomial. What is a linear polynomial? If polynomial have a degree 1 is called a polynomial. If degree is 1 is called a linear. Degree is 2 or highest power is 2 is called quadratic. Degree is 3 then cubic polynomial. In last biquadratic. Degree is 4 then called biquadratic polynomial. It is the highest power. It has a highest power 4, then is called biquadratic polynomial. Then now in this chapter we will study geometrical representation of linear quadratic polynomial and geometrical meaning of their zeros. We learn about that graph of a linear polynomial. Some examples. In first case, y equal to ax plus b is draw a straight line because it have only one zeros. Ax plus b, let be the y equal to ax plus b. If we put y equal to 0, then ax plus b equal to 0, values of x minus b upon a, x equal to minus b upon a. So then points are minus b upon a and 0. If only have a one point is called a linear polynomial. Zeros means the value of x is called a zeros. Here in this graph only cut the x-axis only one point. This is called the linear polynomial. The line represented cross the x-axis at exactly one point. This is called of the linear polynomial. Some examples of linear polynomial: 2x minus 5. Let be the y equal to 2x minus 5. The value of y equal to 0. Put 0 equal to 2x minus 5. 2x equal to 5. So 5 upon 2. So draw the graph. Points are 5 upon 2 and 0. Means 0, 1, 2, 3. Here point 5 upon 2 means 2 upon 5 and zeros. So then 2 upon 5 and zeros. So graph, we can draw graph this x, x dash, y, y dash. Or x axis only exactly one point is called a linear polynomial. Here second is graph of a quadratic polynomial. The graph of quadratic polynomial in the form of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. A is not equal to 0. Draw the graph is on any curve, open upward and downward. It is also called a parabola. Same here the graph, that is curve, and also some examples of the quadratic polynomial. In the third, graph of cubic polynomial. The graph of a cubic polynomial does not have a fixed standard shape. Note, but cut in the 3 point at x-axis. So we call the cubic polynomial. Is also called in quadratic equation the cut exactly cut on the 2 point. It is also called quadratic polynomial. Same here, exactly on the x-axis cut into the 3 points. That's called the cubic polynomial. In conclusion, the graph of a linear polynomial cross x-axis at one point only, and the graph of the quadratic polynomial crosses x-axis at most 2 points. Also called cubic quadratic polynomial crosses x-axis at most the 3 points. In general, graph of the nth degree polynomial crosses the x-axis at most n points. So let me start now. Exercise 2.1. The graph of y equal to px are given in the figure below. Some polynomial px, find the number of the zeros of the px. Number of the zeros of the px. Find the number of the zeros in this graph. In first, the number of the zeros is 0 because the graph does not cut the x-axis at any point. So zeros is 0. The graph shown, we can write the graph shown px has no 0. In second, the number of zeros is 1 as the graph intersects the x-axis, x dash, y dash. So it is the x-axis at only one point, that the zeros is 1. Same here in third, number of zeros 1 2 3 as the graph intersect the x-axis at only 3 point 1 2 3 in fourth cut at x-axis 1 2 2 points that zeros equal to 2. In fifth case, cut in the 1 2 3 4. So this graph show px has 4 zeros because cut x-axis at 4.1 2 3 4. Same here, question number 6, the graph number of zeros 1 2 3 as the graph intersect the x-axis at only 3 points, so then 0 is equal to 3. So thank you students to listen me, and if you have any queries please discuss me through chat. Thank you very much.